Robert, in the world of solder preforms, we know what a solder washer is. What exactly is a solder tube?
A solder tube is similar to a solder washer in shape, except it has a wall-to-height ratio of greater than 3:1.
Oh, what are some of the applications for a solder tube?
The applications for a solder tube mainly include going within a plastic tube, and it's used in a similar fashion to a finger trap where the wires are inserted into the tube, and that tube is reflowed, and the solder creates an electrical connection while the plastic protects that connection from environmental hazards.
So this is probably ideal for cable splicing, I would think.
Cable splicing mainly in wire harness and cable assemblies, yes.
What are some of the products that Indium Corporation offers in the solder tube world?
For the tubes, we'll offer flux between 0.5 to 2% by weight range. We also have visual reflow indicators such as a thermochromic dye, which when reflowed will change color to let the operator know that it's reached the proper temperature. And we also have a bialloy tube. That's a base tube with a higher melting temperature ring around it that works in the same fashion as the dye.
Where can we get more information on this?
You can contact me directly for specific needs at armacaro@indium.com, or you can visit our solder tube webpage.
Robert, thank you very, very much.
Thank you.